Today we will discover 7 incredible plant seeds that naturally boost collagen production and protect your youthful skin. Aging is a completely natural process, but losing skin elasticity does not have to happen quickly if you eat the right foods. Collagen acts as the main structural protein in your body, keeping your skin firm, incredibly smooth, and beautifully hydrated every single day. Many people rely on expensive creams or supplements, overlooking the simple power hidden within tiny seeds found in your local grocery store. Why are seeds so important for your skin health? They contain essential building blocks that your body desperately needs to create collagen. Inside these tiny powerhouses, you will find rich amounts of amino acids, healthy fats, and vital minerals required for cellular repair processes. Antioxidants present in seeds actively fight against harmful free radicals, preventing early wrinkles and defending your delicate skin from environmental damage daily. Think of these nutrients as the essential bricks and mortar needed to constantly rebuild your collagen and elastin structures from the inside. By adding them to your daily diet, you provide your body with the exact tools it requires to maintain a youthful glow. Let us explore the magnificent 7 seeds that can transform your skincare routine, starting with a true champion of natural collagen production. Pumpkin seeds are widely recognized as the ultimate collagen champions because they are incredibly rich in zinc, a truly vital trace mineral. Zinc plays a massive role in the biological assembly of collagen fibers, ensuring they form strong and resilient connections beneath your skin. Without enough zinc in your system, collagen production slows down significantly, leading to weaker skin structure and the formation of fine lines. Eating a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds daily provides your body with the exact nutrients needed to repair damaged skin cells effectively. They also contain powerful antioxidants and vitamin E, which work together to brighten your complexion and maintain a healthy, vibrant skin tone. You can easily sprinkle these delicious green seeds over your morning oatmeal or blend them into your favorite fruit smoothies for breakfast. Next on our list is the tiny but mighty chia seed, famously known as the ultimate hydration hero for dry, aging skin. Chia seeds are absolutely packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining a strong and flexible skin barrier. When soaked in water, chia seeds create a unique gel layer that helps your body retain moisture and keeps your skin plump. This incredible water retention capability translates directly to your skin cells, preventing dryness and reducing the appearance of deep wrinkles over time. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily can deeply hydrate your skin from within, giving you that coveted dewy and fresh appearance. Creating a delicious chia pudding with almond milk and fresh berries is a fantastic way to enjoy these hydrating benefits every morning. Moving forward, we introduce flax seeds, often playfully described by beauty experts as nature's very own Botox for firming up loose skin. Flax seeds are abundant in lignans and essential fatty acids that actively boost skin elasticity and combat damaging free radicals very effectively. Regular consumption of ground flax seeds helps soothe skin inflammation, reducing redness and promoting a much smoother, more even facial skin tone. The high concentration of omega-3 fats in flax seeds ensures your skin remains supple, soft, and highly resistant to environmental stressors. Always remember to grind your flax seeds before eating them, as whole seeds can pass through your digestive system without releasing nutrients. Our 4th remarkable superfood is the humble sesame seed, an ancient beauty secret cherished by traditional medicine practitioners for many long centuries. Sesame seeds are exceptionally rich in copper, a vital trace mineral that specifically supports the production of elastin fibers in your body. While collagen provides structural firmness, elastin is what gives your skin its youthful bounce and ability to stretch without tearing or sagging. Consuming sesame seeds regularly helps maintain this delicate balance, keeping your complexion visibly tight, perfectly lifted, and glowing with natural radiant health. You can easily incorporate toasted sesame seeds into your daily meals by sprinkling them generously over fresh salads or delicious stir-fries. Next, we explore the wonderful benefits of sunflower seeds, which serve as a powerful protective shield against harmful ultraviolet rays and pollution. Sunflower seeds offer an incredible abundance of vitamin E, an essential fat-soluble antioxidant that defends your precious collagen from oxidative stress. Sun damage is the primary cause of premature aging, breaking down collagen fibers and causing deep wrinkles to form on your face. The vitamin E found in sunflower seeds acts like an internal sunscreen, neutralizing harmful free radicals before they can damage your skin. Snacking on a small handful of unsalted sunflower seeds each afternoon is a tasty way to protect and nourish your skin daily. Now get ready for the biggest surprise of our video: the incredible and often discarded watermelon seeds, a hidden gem for beauty. Most people spit them out, but watermelon seeds are actually packed with magnesium, iron, and a very important amino acid called arginine. Arginine is known to significantly improve blood circulation, ensuring that essential oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to your skin cells everywhere. Better blood flow means a naturally brighter, glowing complexion, while the magnesium helps lower cellular stress that typically slows down collagen production. The iron content in watermelon seeds also prevents dullness, giving your face a healthy, vibrant, and incredibly youthful rosy tint every day. To enjoy them, simply wash, dry, and lightly roast watermelon seeds in your oven for a crunchy, highly nutritious, and delicious snack. Finally, we reach our seventh powerhouse ingredient, the remarkable hemp seed, which offers a truly complete protein profile for your entire body. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a fantastic plant-based alternative to animal proteins for building strong collagen. They are particularly rich in glycine and proline, the 2 specific amino acids that directly form the structural backbone of collagen fibers. Adding hemp seeds to your diet ensures your body has the exact raw materials required to synthesize fresh collagen and repair tissues. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them an incredibly versatile addition to soups, fresh salads, and delicious baked goods for your daily meals. Now that we know the amazing benefits of these 7 seeds, how can we easily incorporate them into our daily eating routine? The most effective and convenient method is to create a powerful super seed mix that you can store in a glass jar. Simply combine equal parts of pumpkin, sunflower, sesame, and hemp seeds, along with ground flax and chia seeds, in a large bowl. Store this nutrient-dense mixture in an airtight container inside your refrigerator to keep the delicate natural oils fresh and highly potent. Consume just 1 or 2 tablespoons of this incredible seed blend every single day to provide your skin with ultimate collagen support. You can easily add this mixture to your morning yogurt, blend it into smoothies, or sprinkle it over a warm grain bowl if you prefer enjoying them separately. Remember that chia seeds should always be soaked in liquid first to maximize their hydrating properties. Flax seeds must be finely ground before consumption. Otherwise, your body cannot absorb their precious anti-aging lignans and healthy omega fats. Watermelon seeds are best enjoyed roasted with a tiny pinch of sea salt, transforming them into a satisfying, crunchy afternoon beauty snack. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds can be eaten raw or lightly toasted, but always choose unsalted varieties to prevent unwanted bodily water retention. Consistency is the true key to seeing visible results. Your skin needs continuous nourishment to effectively rebuild its lost collagen over time. Within just a few weeks of daily seed consumption, you may start noticing your skin feeling noticeably softer, firmer, and deeply hydrated. Fine lines may begin to soften, and your complexion will naturally develop a beautiful, healthy radiance that expensive creams simply cannot match. Remember that a balanced diet, rich in colorful vegetables, plenty of water, and adequate sleep will further enhance these wonderful skin benefits. Nature has provided us with everything we need to age gracefully and maintain our vibrant health through these tiny, incredible plant seeds. Do not underestimate the profound power of simple whole foods. They are the true foundation of long-lasting beauty and internal vitality. Start adding these magnificent 7 seeds to your daily meals today, and proudly watch your skin transform into a glowing, youthful masterpiece. We hope you found this comprehensive guide to collagen-boosting seeds helpful, inspiring, and ready to be applied to your daily life. Thank you for watching, Video Creator. Please subscribe for more amazing natural health tips, and we will gladly see you very soon.